Hello students, let's go over how to do checkpoints. First of all, what are checkpoints? They are the last thing you need to do to finish off a lesson. It's kind of like a little mini lesson test. We just call them checkpoints. Kind of like how video games have checkpoints where you save your progress. This is a nice way to measure if you've made progress in the lesson. So I've already clicked on the 1-3 checkpoint alpha. We give them names. There's up to 3 per lesson. Alpha is the first one, Bravo would be the second, and then Omega would be the third. Let's see here. The instructions say, please do the math on paper. Noted. If you miss a lot, try it again. So checkpoints will be 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 questions. If you miss almost all of them, you probably need to try it again. Also, if you miss all of them, you might want to watch the playlist. So if I do a little behind the scenes work here, I think this one has 6 questions. Yep. So as you can see, there's 6 questions. They pull randomly, so every time you retake a checkpoint, you're going to have to get new ones. It's going to reshuffle the questions, but that's okay, because if you look at the settings, you can do these as many times as you need, and it'll always kick back the right... No, it won't kick back the right answers, but it'll kick back the ones you got right or wrong. It won't give you the right answers. That's kind of pointless anyway, because if it's random, it'd be kind of silly to write down all the right answers then plug those in the next time because they're going to be different questions. Where was I? 6 random questions. Oh yeah, if you struggle with the questions, like if you miss a lot of them or you just don't know how to do them, I have attached a alpha playlist that goes with the alpha checkpoint. And what that is, students, it's a playlist of the 6 questions that you would see. So down over here, here's the playlist. There we go. 6 videos for 6 questions. So one method I've seen students do is they'll start their new attempt and they're like, okay, how do I do the ugly jackrabbit? Okay, I could read the instructions, give it a try, or I could watch Mr. K go over his example. Notice it's different. The numbers here are different than the numbers here, so please be careful. Don't just take my video answers and put them into your questions. That would be pretty silly. All right, I'm on to the next one. Okay, here's the next one. List the decimals in order. Okay, I'm going to go to the next video, and I'm going to watch Mr. K go over how to do this because hopefully I will learn. There we go. There's the next question. So checkpoints are worth 10% of your grade, and you can do them an unlimited number of times. Yes, go away. And the checkpoints have a video playlist that go over each question. Now, if the questions and the playlist don't match, let me know, because sometimes we reshuffle questions. So if it's different, just communicate that difference. Otherwise, if you miss a few, copy on paper, which you should have done already, and then just fix those 1 or 2, and then you can email me the correct answers, or you can take a screenshot of the ones you missed and then send me the correct answers. However you want to communicate the 1 or 2 you missed. So let's say you got them all right except you missed the last one. Well, you can just send me a picture of your correct answer, or you reworking it or trying it again, and say, Mr. K, I should have got this for an answer. If you just send that to me, then you'll get full credit. All right, that's checkpoints. They're the last thing you do in the lesson to finish up that lesson. Do them on paper. If you miss a lot, try it again. Use your resources. If you miss just a few, copy and redo them and send them in for full credit. All right, students, that's how you handle checkpoints.